Salon versus press-on nails. Which one is actually better for you? Today I'm going to break it down with all the pros and cons, which one can be better for your lifestyle. But before we get into that, drop me a comment and let me know right now, what's your opinion? Which one do you think is going to win? Press-on nails or salon nails? Which one's better? Let's find out right now. First, we're going to take a look at the cost comparison. So it can be all over the place depending on what you're getting, and that's for press-on nails or salon nails. So with press-on nails, what kind of press-on nails are you getting is the biggest question, because are you getting really cheap ones from Temu, from Shein, or are you going maybe a level up? Are you going to Walmart, or are you going and getting luxury press-on nails? It matters for this debate, because if you're just getting those cheap press-on nails, like even Walmart, they're kind of cheap, right? They're just made from plastic, so they do not hold up as well as the gel press-on nails do. The gel press-on nails will hold up longer and they last better than if you're just getting those cheap versions at the store where they're not really customizable. They may just be one solid color, and that can be great if you're just maybe going to an event. You don't really want to wear these nails for a long time. You don't care, so maybe you don't care that you're spending $5 on these nails and they're only going to last you a couple days. But salon nails, we could still be getting a solid color. So if you're getting a solid color, that may just be on your natural nail though. You're not getting any extension like you would with the press-on nail. And that price normally will start at about $35 to $40 just for your gel and your solid color on your nails, where your press-ons could be $5, maybe less if you're going Temu. However, if you're getting the luxury press-on nails, like my nails that I have on are luxury press-on nails. I made these nails myself, and I have a website, terranails.com. Check it out. I make and sell press-on nails, and it would be something customizable that would be more money than just your basic box of nails you're gonna go grab at Target, because everything is customizable to you. Every single design that you get on your nails, like here, these are my Christmas nails, and you can see everything is different. I drew my dogs on these nails. So this is gonna be higher price point than if you're just getting something like a solid color. So you have to think of too, what are you trying to get with your nails and your goals? Are you trying to get something crazy and a lot of nail art? Are you trying to get something maybe more basic, like a solid color? That's going to affect your price. But not only that, if we think about this, okay, salon nail. So I'm getting something on my natural nail, right? Like I'm just getting gel polish on it. That is going to only last you until your nail grows out. So you pay maybe 40 bucks and your nail grows out. Okay, you're gonna get it taken off the next time you go to the salon, or you're gonna take it off at home. But with press-on nails, what I'm paying for is more than one-time use. So yeah, like these are Christmas. I'm probably not gonna wear them anytime soon again. But if I were to get something else, like maybe I did a solid pink on these nails, I could wear them again, put them on next week, put them on 2 weeks from now, and I'm going to get a couple wears out of these nails that I paid this one-time fee for, compared to going to the salon where I'm paying this one-time fee that I'm only gonna get to wear these nails for 2 to 3 weeks. Next, you wanna think about your time. So once again, these nails that I have on are like crazy, right? There's all kind of designs on these. If you're gonna go to the salon and sit there, do you want to sit there while someone draws all this on your hands? So you're gonna have to stay still the whole time you're getting all of this nail art on your nails, where compared to your press-ons, someone's going to either make them for you, or if you make them yourself, I guess you're still gonna have to sit there and do it like I do. But if someone else is making it for you, you're just going to get these nails and they're gonna be done for you. You're not gonna have to sit around and wait and try not to move, because your nail tech's gonna be angry when you're there like moving around, and whenever they're trying to draw these little intricate designs on your nails. So if you have a lot of designs and you don't like to sit and wait, press-ons can be a really good option for you, because you don't have to waste all your time getting all that nail art when you could be doing something else. And the time factor goes into this as well, because when you go to the salon, you're driving to the salon, it's probably at least 5-10 minutes from your house if you're lucky, possibly more. So you're driving there, you're driving back, you're there at your nail appointment for probably an hour, depending on what type of service and art that you're getting. So you wasted all of that time. You wasted the time going there, getting back, sitting there, when you could have just gotten press-ons that would be delivered to your house. You wouldn't have to go anywhere, and you could put them on in 5 minutes. But you will have to do your own nails in a sense with the press-ons, which can be somewhat of a drawback for people if you like someone else to do it for you, because you're going to have to file your nail down. You're going to have to push your cuticles back yourself. You're going to have to buff your nails. So there is a little bit more maintenance on your end. If you're a person that likes everything done for you, the salon may be the way to go, because someone else is doing it. Someone's doing everything, and you're just sitting there and you're waiting for it to be done so you can go and check out and show off your new nails. Another really important thing to think about between press-on nails and salon nails is your health and safety. So if you're going to the salon, I'm sure we've all been to salons before that weren't very clean, am I right? A lot of salons, I don't want to say all salons or most salons, because there are clean people out there, but I've worked in a salon. I've gone to salons. I've seen some shady things where people just do not clean stuff. They will take that nail file that they're using on you, and then they're going to use it on the next person right after you, and they're not going to clean it. They may not even clean their cuticle nippers, their cuticle pushers. I've seen that as well, where people just, they don't clean things, or else maybe they'll just rinse it off in water, and like water's not going to clean it. Trust me, that is disgusting. So you got to think about the place you're going to too. Is it a clean place? Are you going to be safe? Are you going to catch a disease there? As to with press-ons, so if you use the nail file, like, okay, so I'm using a nail file and I can use it on a couple different sets, right? Because I'm not actually touching someone with this nail file. I mean, I'm touching the nail file, but I'm not using it on myself. I'm just using it on this gel nail. So whenever you make your press-ons, or someone makes your press-ons for you, they're probably going to have like a little like piece of gel or whatever material, the plastic on the end from however they make them and they cut them. And I'll always use the file whenever I start, just to make sure that that's smooth and not on the tip of my nail. Other than that, you really don't need to use the file. Like, I'm just making sure that my nail has a nice shape before I paint it, because otherwise it's gonna look how it looks, right? If I just paint it on top of that little lumpy piece, it's gonna have a little lumpy piece on your nail, right? So it's definitely more clean to be using a nail file on just a little press-on nail that's not on someone's hand, that's not, you know, could be a disease. Because think about this too, when you go to the salon, do you wash your hands before? Do they make you wash your hands before you get your nails done? I've seen a lot of places that you do not wash your hands. You just walk in. You could be picking your nose in the car. That person in front of you, they could have just picked their nose and had a real big booger, and they flung it before they went into the salon, and then they had their nails done, and that nail tech just didn't care, and then they took the file, didn't wash it, and then they used it on you. So you have some strangers' boogers on your nails, and that's really disgusting. So clearly, I think it's obvious which one I think is better, press-ons versus salon nails. I think press-ons are better just because they save you time, they save you money, you can reuse them, you can get whatever kind of crazy nail art that you want, and you don't have to sit there and wait for it to be drawn out, and they're delivered right to your house, and you just pop them on. It only takes a couple minutes, and then you're done, and you get to enjoy your beautiful nails that you can, like I said, wear again, wear more than one time, as long as they are made of gel material. That's very important. You will not be able to wear the press-on nails again that's made from the plastic, because they will kind of like just wear off. You'll notice it, especially with a square shape, you'll see it'll turn squoval within a couple of days. The edges will round out. So Gel press-on nails are the way to go. If you have more questions on press-on nails, drop them below, or also tell me which one do you currently get done. Do you use press-ons or do you go to the salon? If you enjoy hearing me talk, I have more videos on my channel like this one all about nails, so feel free to check it out and I hope to see you there.